Hello, welcome to week 2 of GT 103, Teaching and Learning. And let me get my screen shared for you guys. Let's see, there we go, share. So what we've got here, I've just had the syllabus pulled up. So we're in week 2. So this week we're going to talk about the 32-day commitment, some time management skills, some Clifton strengths, and then we're going to finally wrap up with the life plan. Remember, there is no class for this class on Monday, so hopefully I'll get some stuff up first thing on Tuesday for you guys to watch. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we have this week. So for week 2, we've got our discussion post for the week, and it has to do with the 32-day commitment. So please start the 32-day commitment before you do the discussion post. Here we've got our videos for the week. This will be week intro. We've got the 32-day commitment time management. Now this video actually goes into time management more so than the 32-day commitment. I'll talk about the 32-day commitment more here. The assignment for that is not how I'm doing it right now. So just pay attention to the time management things, not necessarily the assignment. Video 3, A and B have to do with their Clifton strengths that you have to take, and video 4 is the life plan introduction. Okay, sorry, I had to change to the student view so you guys can see what you see. So let's go into this 32-day commitment first. If you click on that, you come down here, there is an assignment to download. It is a Word document, and what you can do is when you open it here, you can see there are 2 pages. What's due this week is this first page, which is questions 1 through 5. Okay, questions 1 through 5, that's all that's due this week. Questions 1 through 5 are going to be setting your goal, analyze how you're going to achieve that goal, write the 32-day commitment form, which is actually the next page. And then number 5A is actually your discussion post for the week. So you don't have to do that one, but do go ahead and do part 5B. Now on the second page, this 32-day commitment, this is the sheet that's due week 7, and write your actions of what you're going to accomplish during these 32 days to achieve that goal. And then in the table, write some things that you did in order to achieve that goal. How did the day go? Were you able to achieve your goal that day? Okay, so that's how this assignment is going to be broken up. Remember, this week it's only questions 1 through 5 that's on this page. Now if I go back to the assignment list, and I'll go down to the strengths assessment. Okay, there's a few different things over here that you're going to have to look through. So the first one is the power of strengths. That's going to give you an introduction as to why we're doing this exercise and the language of strengths. Then after you read those 2 documents, you're going to take the Clifton Strengths Assessment. If you bought a book, use the code in the book. If you bought just the code online, just use the code directly. Download a copy of the Your Signature Theme Report, okay? Don't need to purchase anything, nothing additional is necessary. The video goes into much more detail about how to do that. Then you've got a few more things to read. So here, this Clifton Strengths themes, it's going to give you some information about what your different themes are. You're going to be given your top 5. So this is going to help you kind of interpret a little bit what those 5 are going to be and what those 5 actually mean. So thinking about your signature themes, this is the one that you need to do to hand in. So let's click on that one. So at first glance, I want you to fill out these 3 questions, okay? And then you're going to be doing this first part here where use your Clifton Strengths report, grab a highlighter, point out things that actually speak to you. But the first part that you're going to hand in is the answer to these first 3 questions. If you need to type them out on Word, that's fine. If you need to type them into some other document, PowerPoint, whatever, that's fine. Don't worry about the format of it. I just want to make sure you have answers to the questions. So that right there is going to be the questions on page 1. Okay, I talked about the getting starting activity on page 2, and then I want your signature theme report with the highlights from that page 2 of the getting started activity. Okay, so you're going to have 2 things you're going to submit: the answers to the questions, and then your signature theme report highlighted the way that it tells you to highlight in the assignment. So that's all the assignments that there are for this week. Again, if you have any questions, please just let me know. Have a great week.